Oh, friends, I'm so excited. One of my favorite things is stickers, and I'm going to show you how I make my stickers. I hope you enjoy. I hope it's not too tedious, whatever. Anyways, friends, I'm so excited. And oh, by the way, hey, I'm Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know. And if you did, thank you so much for coming back. All right, let's get to the project. Friends, I am so excited about this. I just got the Cricut Joy Extra and Chef's Kiss. It's awesome. I'm going to show you two different ways to do it, and I'm going to use two different products. One is the Cricut sticker pack, and the other is with printable vinyl. I can't wait for you to see it. So exciting. All right, so this is the sticker pack, and this is the sticker vinyl. Perfect, right? It's printable vinyl, excuse me. All right, so let's get on. Okay, so let me show you how I make my graphics for my stickers in Canva. Now, I have a pro account, but you can do it without a pro account. Let me show you how I make them. So we're going to go to the search bar and I'm going to click canva.com. And here we are in Canva. Then I'm going to click flyer, which is an 8.5 by 11-inch flyer. Click that. Perfect. Next, we're going to go into elements. Now I'm going to click fall. And then I'm going to click enter. And then you see these little dots and lines here. This we can filter our results. So we're going to click graphics for sure, but then we're going to click that and then we're going to come down and I'm going to say static because I don't want it to be moving because I want to make stickers with it. And then you can go here if you have a pro account or if you don't have a pro account and you don't want to see any of the good stuff that the pro account has, click free. There we go. And then we can see what it has. And look at how cute these are. Now, I have already made a sheet of these, and I'll show you how I print them and all of that. But let me show you really quick how I set up the stickers. So I love this. I think this is adorable. Oh, sorry. Before I do this, bear with me. I'm going to click this, and then I'm going to click background color. I'm just going to make it a different color just because I want to be able to see the sticker that I made. Does that make sense? So there we go. So here's that. So here we have our first image. I love it. It's adorable, but I want to put that cool little offset on it so that it looks like a cool sticker. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to the edit button. Click edit. Then you're going to go down to shadows. Then you're going to go to glow. And then when you're at glow, scroll down. Now I'm doing this on my computer. It's a little bit different in your phone, but go to, so we scroll down on glow. You're going to go size. You're going to go all the way up, blur amount all the way down, go to color, click that, and we're going to go all the way up to white. Now, if you wanted a different color, that's fine. Do a different color. And intensity all the way up. And there it is. Look at how cute this is. So then what we're going to do with this is I'm going to shrink it down to about 2.5 inches total. You could even do smaller than that and then ta-da. But how cute are all of these? These are all, look at this sweater. Quit it. Like you can't have sweater weather without having a sweater. So we're going to do this too. So basically we're just going to go through and I'm just going to make a sheet of these. Okay, so I've got all of my stickers on here. And then what we're going to do, first of all, I want to name it. So go to File, and then we're going to click that little pencil, and then we're going to do, I'm going to say Livy Stickers, because we put Livy Fall Stickers. Ta-da! Perfect. And then click Enter. And then we're going to then upload it to our computer. So we're going to click Share. Then we're going to click Download. Now here is where um, if you don't have the pro account, a little bit more challenging, but it's not impossible. So I have a pro account, so I'm going to click transparent background, and then I'm going to click, and we're in PNG, so I'm going to click download. It's going to pop up, and I'm going to save this to my computer. Well, eventually. My computer is taking a little bit of time to get there. We'll get there, don't worry. Stay with me. And then here we go, Livy Fall Stickers. I'm going to click Save. Bear with me 1 second, and I will get to Cricut Design Space. So I'm back in, I just opened Cricut Design Space. I didn't want you to have to sit through with the whole loading of that. All right, so we have Cricut Design Space open, and I'm going to go to New Project. Here it is. Click that. Here we are in new projects, and then we're going to scroll down to upload. Upload the image, then we're going to browse, and we're going to go through and find the Livy stickers that we did. Fall stickers, Livy fall stickers. Click open. There it is. Perfect. And you're going to click continue. Now, because I use transparent background, I don't need to have the background removed. If you do not do transparent background, then actually, you know what? If you don't do transparent background, let me show you. We are going to go back to this. We're going to share, download. I'm not going to use transparent. I'm just going to download it, okay? And I will show you what it looks like when it goes in because, it'd probably be good for you to see that. So bear with me. Click here and we're going to see it's going to say 1. Perfect. Then we're going to go back to our design space. Click browse. Then I'm going to find our Livy Fall Stickers 1. Here it is. Click open. Now it looks totally different, right? So you're going to click continue. And then here, see this little plus, my what's it called? My cursor? We're going to click on the background. Ta-da! And it removes the background just fine. So you can technically, all of the images I did here were free. And so all of this that I just showed you was available to do free. So no worries. So then we're going to click apply and continue. And you're going to click on flat graphic because we're going to print it, then cut it. So flat graphic, continue. Here it is, adorable. It's going to want us to save it. We're going to click upload. Now it's going to come into the canvas huge and crazy pants, like way too big. So we're going to first make sure our machine is set to the right machine. I want to use my Cricut Joy Extra. If you haven't ever used the Joy Extra, holy Toledo, it is for stickers. Amazing. All right, so I have it on Joy Extra, and you see this little red thing. We're going to click that. And it says that the image is too large for our machine. So we're going to just click, it's so cool, auto resize the image. Yes, let's do that. So there it is, all set. All right, so then next we're going to click make, and we'll save our project, Livy Fall Stickers. And I'll show you 2 different ways that you can do your stickers. So here's our sticker paper, and it looks like it's well within all of the guidelines. Perfect. We're going to click continue. Then we're going to send it to the printer. The printer I'm using is an Epson EcoTank. It's an ET4800, one of the best printers. Love it. We're going to send it to the printer. Sensor marked. We're going to click next. Here's our printer. So then we're going to click print, and it's going to go to my printer. Once we've gotten our document printed, we're going to then set our material. Now, if you want it to be a kiss cut, meaning you want a full sheet of stickers and the stickers get pulled off of that, then you would go through and let's see if we can browse all materials, and then up here, search, and then I would put printable sticker. And let's just see what comes up. Oh, look at that. See this? So what we're going to do is we're going to click on, I don't know that it matters much. Just pick one of them. And then click done. And then default pressure is fine. And then you would load your mat and click go and print. Now, if you were instead wanting to have the die cut, then what you would click is, and let's see if I can find it on here. We're going to browse all materials, and I am going to click on heavy cardstock. Click enter. There it is. That's the one we want. And I'm actually going to press that little bookmark so that it shows up in my menu each time. But here it is, base material set to heavy cardstock. It is ready. I want to show you first, before we cut this, we want to make sure we put a laminate sheet on the top, whether it's sparkly, holographic, or just a laminate sheet. Okay, so this is the printable sticker set from Cricut, and see, it's got the holographic glitter laminate, and then it also has the printable vinyl. This is clear. If you want it to be white, then you want to use the printable vinyl. Here it is printed. We already printed it. I did it on both. I did it on the printable vinyl and on the sticker set one. Now I'm going to use this Cricut. This is the top part. This is the laminate part. This is the part that has the sparkles. And all you're going to do is peel that very top part off so it just is a strip of sticky. And we're just going to apply that to the top of the sticker sheet that we printed. Again, I printed 2 different kinds of sheets just to show you. But there's that. And then I use a ruler. You just want something flat to kind of push the laminate on the top of your sticker paper. Again, I find that this ruler works really well, but whatever works for you, marvelous. You just don't want to you want to make sure that there are no bubbles in it, right? So there's that. And then I use my little, I don't even know what it's called, a scraper, whatever. It's got felt on it. And I just smooth out everything there. Okay, it's all smoothed out and look how pretty. Super nice, right? Then we're going to do the same process. This is with the printable vinyl, and I'm doing the same thing, putting the holographic glitter on laminate on top of that. You can get this stuff from Amazon, from Hobby Lobby, from anywhere. I got mine from Michael's. Again, the sticker set, super easy, but it doesn't come with that white backer. So, just a word to the wise. There it is. Perfect. Now we're going to get our Cricut mat. And if you get the Cricut Joy Extra, you have to get one of the mats if you're not using smart materials or if you're using it like this. In our case, making stickers. So you're going to add your sticker paper that has been given the laminate on top. We're going to add that to our mat. I am using my brayer to make sure it's nice and on there. And then we're going to add it to our Cricut. Ta-da! So we are going to load it, and then you hit go, and holy Toledo, I don't know why it's so satisfying to watch this thing cut, but it's satisfying. So we're going to let it cut. Again, I had 2 different sheets because we're doing the kiss cut as well as the die cut. Once it's all done, here it is. We're going to take this one off, and this is how I take stuff off of my mat. I bend the mat, not my sticker paper, just because I don't want to get any creases. Excuse me. So I bend the mat to get the sticker paper off. This is the kiss cut one. This one, look at how cute. Are you kidding me? And I'll show you here. See, it's clear. Super cool. But let me also show you, this is the die cut one that we did. And again, we're going to bend the mat, not our sticker paper. And look, oh, how awesome are these? I love it. So super cool. And it's easy. I made it look a little more challenging to get off the mat than it was. I was just trying to go really slow, but look at how cute the little sweaters. I love it. And I'm going to show you what I use the stickers for, because I told you that I was making this for my daughter. So look at the little knitting ball and needles. So there's all our stickers. So the first one I'm going to do is the die cut ones. And I'm going to add it to these little, these are just little cups that I had gotten from Michael's. You can get them from Dollar Tree, by the way. But look at, I put them all over and look how cute. And yes, they're waterproof. Isn't it super fun? I love it. Oh, so super fun. And then I had another one. I thought, you know what, let's try and see what the clear ones look like, because I just wasn't sure. So I'm going to add these to another cup. Again, got these at Michael's, but you could get them almost anywhere, Dollar Tree included. But I added them all on there, and I gotta say, I am torn. I don't know which one I like better. Look at how fun, though. You could add these stickers to anything, though, right? I mean, you could put them on notebooks, whatever, but are you kidding me? Look at, I love them. Yes, I am obsessed with stickers. I hope you are too. Anyways, friends, thank you so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.